Hello, and thanks for watching my DIY video for a vintage suitcase mod. I first needed tape, some of this stuff, like Velcro, right? The LED race lights. You soak them in water and add like copper wiring. I'm kidding, you don't. Anyway, what I did was I just kind of poked holes into the divider there with the handy scissors and just kind of fed it through. By the way, that Velcro was used to hold the battery pack, the power supply, to the side there, if you can see it there. Anyway, so I just kind of continued to poke the holes through there all the way around the divider and use tape to secure it to the, the inside, or the bottom, I guess. So, yeah, it's great. My grandma actually had these in her attic, and she was like, dude, you want these? She actually didn't say, dude, you want these, but, I'm just kind of adding that. And I was like, yeah. And I didn't know what I was going to use them for, but I was like, well, I'll find something. So they sat in, my shop for, a year. Anyway, so I decided, I was like, oh, my goodness. Actually, a friend of mine had the idea, and I kind of stole it from him. He's a musician. Gosh, I'm tripping over my words. And stole it from him. So, yeah. So it holds all my merch. It's just for display, and there it is. Great stuff. So, I want to say thanks again for checking out my DIY vid for the mod. I might have some more, trying to get some more material going. Check out some of these other videos that you see here. Tap or click. See you later, man.